Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add bullet point to a comment box text using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and double click on this comment box. This is a text box, and press Ctrl to select all text from your comment box. And this right sidebar, here you will find this bullet point option, and there are many kinds of bullet point. This is check mark, this is dot, this is arrow, this is square, and so on. And select one of them and see this bullet point now added. I'll disable this bullet point and select this one and see this. In this way you can add bullet point to your comment box. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.